In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare DNS in seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to add a record correctly, and where to review analytics and security settings that keep your domain running smoothly. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard and heading to the domains area. This is where all the zones in your account live. Choose the domain you want to work with. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're on the correct one to avoid accidental changes. Once inside the domain, open the DNS section, then go to the records view. This page lists every DNS record Cloudflare will answer for your domain. To create a new entry, use the Add Record button. For most website setups, you'll be adding an A record. Pick the type from the drop-down. A is for IPv4 addresses, A is for IPv6, and CNAME points one name to another. We'll stick with A to match a typical web server. In the name field, enter the host name you want to map. Use the root symbol if you're pointing the bare domain, or type something like www if you're mapping a subdomain. In the IPv4 address field, paste the server's public IP. Make sure this is accurate. A single digit off will send traffic to the wrong place. You may see options for TTL and a proxied toggle. TTL controls how long resolvers cache your answer. Auto is a safe default. The proxy option routes traffic through Cloudflare for performance and security. Turn it on for websites and off for services that must reveal the origin IP, like certain mail or SSH endpoints. Comments are optional but helpful for future you. Add a brief note about what this record does. When everything looks right, save your changes. Most updates apply within minutes, though some caches can take longer to refresh. Next, explore analytics within the DNS section. Here you can review query volume and patterns over time, and apply filters to focus on specific records or time ranges. This is useful for troubleshooting spikes or confirming a new record is being queried. Head over to Settings to review security features. DNSSEC adds a layer of authenticity to your DNS answers, helping prevent tampering. Enabling it typically requires adding a DS record at your registrar. Multi-signer DNSSX supports advanced setups where multiple providers sign a zone. Finally, check email security to configure DNS records for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These help protect your domain from spoofing and improve mail deliverability. That's it. Fast, clean, and secure DNS in Cloudflare.